Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn your normal photo into a creepy Halloween horror doll animations. And the best part is it's super easy and completely free. You only need TikTok and CapCut, and that's it. No editing skills required. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your TikTok app and then go to search bar and then type Tim Burton filter for the Halloween dolls filter, and then you will see tons of video using this trending Halloween effects, and then just scroll until you find the one that looks like a realistic creepy doll animations. For example, I will choose this one. Just tap on it like this, and then just tap on try this template, and then type use template in CapCut. And then TikTok will automatically open the CapCut app, and then it will load the exact Halloween horror doll template used in that video. If you don't have CapCut installed, don't worry, just download it from the Play Store or App Store first, then tap again to reopen the link. Next, just use template, and then just select your photo. Just try to use a clear portrait where your face is visible and not blurry. And then when you're done, just tap on next. And then CapCut will automatically generate the horror doll animation for you. It will take just a few moments to process. Just wait until the process is finished. And okay, like this, after it's done, you will see your photo completely transform into a creepy Halloween style doll animations like this. Let's play the video. Like this. Next, if you are happy with the result, just tap on export at the top right corner, and then you can either save it to your gallery or post it directly to TikTok. And okay, that's literally it. Your horror doll animations is ready in under 1 minute. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.